Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your EDIFIER D32 in the application. You have to start by open EDIFIER CONNECT app, and of course you need to add your speaker to the application. Then you will see the same menu. You need to go to the settings at the right top. And right here, near to the name, we have this pencil icon. Tap at this icon. And now write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. The most important is to click Save at the right top to save this new name. Then confirm. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!